Last rites of 5 victims of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 firing incident performed. JESSY appeals to people to refrain from posting communal comments on social media. And lifeless body of 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 killed in cookie bomb attack at Moirangpuril Tumukhong Awang Laikai taken for cremation. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. The last rites of 5 victims of 𝐍𝐿𝐭 firing incident, which took place on January 1, have been performed today, attended by thousands of people. The mortal remains of deceased MD Sirajuddin Makak, 55, son of late Rehajuddin of 𝐍𝐿𝐭, MD Azad Khan alias Apikpa, 35, son of MD Nurjaman 𝐿𝐭 of 𝐍𝐿𝐭, MD Hussain 𝐿𝐭, 25, son of late MD Habibur Rahman of 𝐍𝐿𝐭, MD Dawood Khan Pundray 40, son of late Jalaluddin of Sangayumpam, residing at 𝐍𝐿𝐭, and Maulana Abdur Razak Maray 37, son of late MD Jalaluddin alias Yaima of 𝐍𝐿𝐭 were brought from Janims Morgue to 𝐍𝐿𝐭 today to perform the last rites after an agreement reached between the JESSY formed against the government and the state government. The funeral prayers, Janaj namaz of the deceased were performed at 𝐍𝐿𝐭 ground, attended by thousands of people, including leaders of different civil society organizations. After the funeral prayers, the bodies were taken to Qabristan of their respective localities and laid to rest. Addressing media persons at a press meet held after the Janaza namaz, co-convener of the JESSY Islam Makakcha said, Meitei and Meitei Pangal communities, despite following different religions, have inseparable bond and blood relations. People of the two communities have been coexisting in peace and harmony. Stating that all the communities coexisting in the state are one and no other community is being considered as outsiders, he appealed to those on social media not to post communal comments or this may incite communal disharmony, he said.
manipur gi miyamda maruina meitai pangan haidana sakhangiriba pangan ichinau singi mafamda JESSY na karigumba apil amaktan tawjage madudi manipur da leminariba jati phurup khudingmak tampakta tambinariba jati phurup khudingmak mitop amata yawde mitop ni haidana kanagumba amatana claim tawbasu yaroi aduna maramaraga mitop ki wafam si tokpiraga akhoi masen amatani meitai amasung meitai pangan Tampakta leminariba jati phurup ase amatani haidana khanminaraga akhoi ngasidagi community amada nungairoidaba wakhan phathaba ngamoidaba wahiwata sinna birakanu haidana JESSY gi maikeidagi ahanba maktada akhoi haijari karigumba thokriba thodok aduga mari leinana kanagumba mioi kharana mana mitop nate changba yani yaroi haibaga mari leinana bhavna sagatlaga akhoi na ningba wakhalon to social media da pangai haibase masi ngasidagidi toklasi tokpiro maramaduna pangangi chinau singna kitang sentimental oibaduna maram oiraga maitai panganni hairaga sumaina tawbiba haidana kitang pendabadu henjanba wahiwata yawkhraga Aikoigi iyambani haidana itakhanbani haidana leibiriba majority community ni haidana leiriba Meitei ichinau singi thamoi sokpa jaba wahiwata amata akhoi haidana ba ngasidagi hotnarasi tawbiranu haibada henjanba yawkhiba punamakchu Meitei gi ichinau akhang hai intellectual marungpang punamakna ngakpiraga haijadaba panganni khanduna soikhiba punamak ngakpiu Loinana, Choiraba, sentiment kara oibadagi ngangjarapani haidana khanbiraga, Meitei gi ichinau ipaicha punamagna, wakan phathabiraga, social media da karida pangan thamoi sokadaba wafam amata su tawbiraga nu haibasimasu akhoi gi JESSY gi side dagi appeal tawjabaga loinana haijari.
The lifeless body of martyr 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬, 25, son of 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬, who passed away after undergoing treatment at Rajmedicity after he was hit by bomb splinter in Kuki bomb attack at Moirangpuril Tumukong, Awang Lekai in Imphal East District in the early hours of 31st December, has been taken from Jennings morgue to his village at Tumukong, Awang Lekai today. Family and people of Tumukong took his mortal remains from Jennings mortuary around 11 this morning to perform his last rites after JAC members, family members of the deceased came to an agreement with Chief Minister 𝐁𝐵𝐵. People of his village offered floral tribute to the martyr as he was brought to his home. United Development Committee UDC and all 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 clubs organization have strongly condemned the firing incident took place at 𝐿ilongThINGJAO. Speaking at a press meet held at 𝐿iongThINGJAO yesterday, President of UDC Mohammed Zafir Ali maintained that the heavily armed persons firing upon the civilian, killing 5 persons including 1 from 𝐿iongThINGJAO and injuring more than 10 persons is a crime of serious nature. He further appealed to the state government to book the culprits and take lawful action at the earliest and urged the government to ensure such condemnable act does not happen amid this time of crisis in the state. He also thanked Chief Minister 𝐁𝐵𝐵 and leaders of different CSOs for their timely intervention through video messages on media to ensure the matter does not turn communal between people of Meitei and Meitei Pangal communities. He also announced that the joint meeting of United Development Committee and Apunba Club organization has resolved to restrict the entry of persons wielding unlawful arms at 𝐿iongThINGJAO Part 1 and Part 2 except for government machineries. As such, he appealed to people to contact UDC or the nearest club or organization if the need arises. Calling for a peaceful coexistence among all the communities, Zafar Ali urged people to stop writing comments that could hurt one another. He further drew the attention of the state government to take up steps to bring lasting and substantial peace in the state.
Manipurda khundaminariba purub khudingmak amatung aina nungsi chanana hingminasi purub amana nungairoidaba wafamsing social media da phongdok loisi Manipurda Papung Phana Shanti Lehenaba Puxel Sena Manipur Leana na Tabuk Lafapiu Hanasu UDC Amadi all 𝐿iong𝐸 club organization gi maikei hanna ikuna request this.
President of Educational Guide Center EGC Thobal Moijing Abdur Razak expressed his strong condemnation over the heartbreaking incident at 𝐿ilongThINGJAO on the New Year's Day, which should be one of the joyous days of a year. He urged the authority concerned to ensure such incident, which may create communal disharmony, does not happen in future anywhere in the state.
Maduda yamna awawa thudok ama 𝐿ilongThINGJAO da thokibasi the Educational Guide Center EGC Thobal Moijing gi maikei dagi a strongest term da condemn tawjari asigumba thodok ase matung amak hanna thokhan ningdabagi apamba do EGC gi maikei dagi phongdokjari aikhoina pamjabadi lauchari basanna do madubu ngakpa lauchadanaba hotnaba masini khagi pandam oigadabadi adubu yamna awabadi ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯟꯕꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯧ ꯆꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯖꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
We have more news coming up, but before that, let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 School. Excellence in Education.
Matam sana luhongba haibase adongi punsida mangjariba manglan adu mangphauna na bahotna ba amadi imung manungi pandam adu phangna ba hotna bada achoba mateng oigadoribani aduna matam sana luhongbiu luhongbagi damak wabi ganu mateng pangjage mateng pangjanabagi damak leijare boisa kokjet decoration 𝐭𝐲𝐰𝐬 mayai lekai Imphal East apamba mawongi borgi kokjet yachari ahongba mamalda dress waibiba amadi leibagi kudongchaba punamak phangbigani lengsin biro boicha kokjet decoration 𝐭𝐲𝐰𝐬 mayai lekai Imphal East asida sunatana luhong khongdungbagi makeup photography amadi videography camera ahongba mamalda stage decoration singba punamak ahongba mamalda phangbigani lengsin biro boicha kokjet decoration 𝐭𝐲𝐰𝐬 mayai lekai phone number 9362323252 amadi 9863842557 boisa kokjet decoration 𝐭𝐲𝐰𝐬 mayai lekai Imphal East
diabetes ko loina de hingliba seng tha magi manungda control to bangamle urea creatinine wangbasu tha magi manungda hanthaba ngamle khong hamba nungai tebasu numit manga nigi manungda fahan bangamle bile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oi bangamle bp wangbasu tha magi manungda normal oi bangamle fatty liver oi basu tha magi manungda fagat han bangamle pumnamak natural oi ba hidak makhalna lying jabani hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite makhata na hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi hena kupa parol gi damak ngasimak lengsin birau diabetes hospital soibam leikai ayangpali road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. As observed at different parts of the valley, the 22nd Foundation Day of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, THIYAM, was observed at the auditorium of 𝐺𝐸𝐵 Higher Secondary School yesterday. The observance was organized by THIYAM District Council, 𝐺𝐸𝐵, on the theme, Rising Above Challenge Through Quality Education. A 1-minute silence was also observed during the observance as a mark of honor to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives during the ongoing crisis in the state. 𝐺𝐸𝐵 social activist and Buddhachandra THIYAM District Council 𝐺𝐸𝐵 President Laishram Bilak's Mite, Women's Association for Socio-Economic and Development 𝐺𝐸𝐵 District President and Nivarani Devi, all 𝐺𝐸𝐵 Mera Pai B President as Shushila Devi, Vice Principal of 𝐺𝐸𝐵 Higher Secondary School 𝐾𝐻𝐸𝐸𝐬, THIYAM District Council 𝐺𝐸𝐵's Advisor Kangabam Bablu and Ethno Heritage Council 𝐺𝐸𝐵 Committee's Convener Sanjam Sainik Kumar Singh graced the observance as Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor respectively.
Good news haidana aina karino amba matamda oza tapiu karino tana minasi haibu matamda 𝐺𝐸𝐵 masi 𝐺𝐸𝐵 ga prajol ga tharga manipur ki oina district ani asi JNB headquarter da approve tawre haidana ara approve tawwa matungda masi ke chepkes ki bawang da teksiliba ipuda tawjabani ipu so JNB ki damata thawai yaudana matam ki oiba matamda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯏꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯁꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Aditya L1, India's first mission to study the sun, is inching closer to its destination, the Lagrange point L1 located 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, had launched Aditya L1 on September 2 last year. ISRO could be attempting one of the most crucial maneuvers of this mission sometime in the afternoon of January 6. It will be for the first time that India's premier space agency will attempt to strategically place the satellite at L1, where Aditya can get an uninterrupted view of the sun. Aditya L1 will make it to a halo orbit around the L1 point. As the Earth moves around the sun, the L1 point will also move along. Therefore, the halo orbit also moves along with the Earth. Annapurni Subramaniam, Director, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru, said as reported by national media. ISRO will be performing this kind of an orbit maneuver for the first time. The World Braille Day is being celebrated across the globe today. This day holds special importance as it marks the birthday of Louis Braille, the visionary inventor of the Braille script, born in France in 1809. Recognizing the paramount role of Braille in education, communication, and social inclusion, the United Nations has designated 4 January every year as World Braille Day. According to the United Nations, Braille is a tactile representation of alphabetic and numerical symbols using 6 dots to represent each letter and number, and even musical, mathematical, and scientific symbols. Braille, named after its inventor in 19th century France, Louis Braille, is used by blind and partially sighted people to read the same books and periodicals as those printed in a visual font. Braille, a universal code rather than a language, serves as a tool to write and read in various languages, including Sanskrit, Arabic, Chinese, Hebrew, Spanish, and many others. On this occasion, national institutes and composite regional centers under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities are organizing several programs in the country. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Last rites of 5 victims of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 firing incident performed. JESSY appeals to people to refrain from posting communal comments on social media. And lifeless bodies of 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 killed in cookie bomb attack at Moirangpural, 𝐁𝐫𝐤𝐬 Laikai taken for cremation. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.